up your engine, feel the ride. Leather tech's got you sitting in style.
Welcome. And we have the car of the day. Guys, this is the 2011 Lariat F250. It will fit 2011 to 2016 F-Series trucks, 250, 350, 450, and 550. And guys, today we're gonna be doing biscuit color for this particular vehicle with mahogany inserts, and also is featuring mahogany contrast stitch. And this is equipped, guys, for degree system. It has cooling and heating in the factory, so we don't have to add our system right there. So it's already built into the car. It came like that. And I know, guys, I know it looks like crap, but wait until I finish this installation so you can see how beautiful this transformation is going to be. So let's take a look at the vehicle. And this is the beautiful Lariat, guys. It's pristine for 2011. It's in pretty good shape. And it came with factory with leather with factory. It has seen better days. You can see right there. So it's falling apart already. Leather has expired. You can see part of the cooling system right there. And that's why it's here. It needs a refreshment, guys. It has dual map pockets in the back, which we're gonna be installing in the new kit. It comes with it, no big deal. And in this particular vehicle, guys, compared to other Ford trucks, you have an armrest, which is not really common in the Ford series, but it comes in the Lariat. And everything else is the same from the other F-150. This is the 250, and the higher series or the F series is gonna be more or less the same, unless it's an XLT. This is the Lariat version, guys, and we're gonna be refreshing these beautiful interiors. And guys, you want this transformation in your vehicle. You want leather seats. Go to leathertech.com by Upholstery technology, so you can order a factory match just like you saw in that truck, or a custom design. We have over 60 different colors, endless combinations, guys. Contrast stitch, piping, special editions, custom patterns like diamonds, double diamonds, hex, double hex, honeycomb, and many others, you name it. You want exotics? We have them. Ostrich, alligator, sway skin, you name it. We have them. Leathertech.com by EMupholsterytechnology.com. Guys, like and subscribe because you want to see more transformations, more techniques, and videos in how to do the installations for your beautiful leather seats at leathertech.com by EMupholsterytechnology.com. Because, guys, we are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult, guys. So look forward for the completion of this video, or the completion of the installation. You can see it in this video. And thank you, guys. Look forward for that video of the completion. Okay, guys, I want you to see the rear now that we still have pretty good light, because I don't know if the time is gonna be enough for today, so I can demonstrate to you how beautiful these seats are gonna be. So this is our rear seat. We still working the two front ones. Console is done. Have the lid on top. Everything else is there. This is a complex piece. And we have the rear, guys, so wait until I complete the front ones. Hopefully I can shoot it here in the truck. If not, I'm gonna have to do it inside the shop, and it's not as pretty as in here, but you wanna have the idea and how beautiful our kits looks like with professional installation.
Leather tech's got you sitting in style. DIY solutions in your hand. Turn your car seats into something.